beetroot recipe that I'm sure you've never seen around. It's delicious and super healthy. Stay here until the end for you to be surprised with this recipe. But first, tell me here in the comments, from which city or country you're watching this video. Here I have 1 onion. Let's start by cutting it into very small pieces. Now in a pan, add olive oil. As much as you like. Then add the chopped onion. We are going to fry this onion. We will need 2 cloves of chopped garlic as well. I chopped them very well and also added them together with the onion. I'm going to sort these 2 ingredients. I cooked 4 beets and grated them all. It can be from 3 to 4 units of beets. After grating everything, let's move it to a container. I added the onion along with the garlic as well. I cooked 3 eggs. I will peel and cut into smaller pieces. Place in the container along with the other ingredients. In a blender add 200 ml sunflower oil and 80 to 90 ml milk. Beat very well. Add 1 pinch of salt, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mustard. Here I cut 1 lemon in half and will add the juice in the blender. Blend these ingredients. I chopped some green smell for the end. Now just mix everything. And look how creamy this recipe is, my loves. I finished it here with the special touch of the green smell. It's delicious. Today's message is in Ecclesiastes 3:1. For everything there is a right time, for every purpose under heaven. There is a time for everything, the right time for every purpose under heaven. Many times in our lives when we wish for things to happen faster, we are in a difficult time, and just want it to be resolved as quickly as possible. While it is natural to want to look forward, we run the risk of missing the things that God wants to show us at that moment. May God bless you all. Until the next video. Bye.